So before starting the video, first let me go through the specifications. So as you can see friends here, the Samsung Galaxy M20 comes with a TFT capacitive touchscreen, whereas the Realme 5S comes with the IPS LCD touchscreen. So 6.3 inches versus 6.5 inches as you can see here clearly. But the only advantage the Samsung Galaxy M20 has, it has got the 1080 resolution when compared with the normal 720 resolution in the Realme 5S device. So right now I'll be playing the same video in both the phones, and let's check how good the display will look in both the devices. So don't forget to check the links in description friends for the playlist, so where you can find plenty of videos which are already uploaded on the Samsung Galaxy M20 and also on the Realme 5S. So right now let me play the same video in both the phones side by side. So right now I'm using with the full brightness friends, as you can see here. So do comment below friends which display you feel better and why. So having the huge display will give the advantage in the Realme 5S device. But having the single and functionality is possible in the Samsung Galaxy M20 device because of the small screen size. So here I got the Realme 5S and here is the Samsung Galaxy M20. So you can see the clear difference here. So I feel the Realme 5S has got slightly saturated colors than the Samsung Galaxy M20 phone. So slightly higher saturated colors. But having the HD resolution like 1080 resolution in the Samsung Galaxy M20 will be very big advantage when you're watching the videos in the phone. So even I'll be doing the battery drain comparison between both the phones, because both the phones are having the 5000 mAh capacity. So it will be very interesting results to compare side by side. But overall friends, in terms of the color reproduction, I feel both the phones are pretty good. But Samsung Galaxy M20 has got a 1080 resolution, so the detail looks more crispy and clear in the Samsung Galaxy M20 when compared with the Realme 5S phone. So now let me decrease the brightness to 10% and check which phone will be brighter. So both the phones are having the same kind of brightness levels, and right now let me decrease even further and let's check. So as you can see here friends, the Samsung Galaxy M20 has got a slightly higher brightness when compared with the Realme 5S device. So let me try to decrease to 0% and let's see which phone will be brighter. So even in the 0%, the Samsung Galaxy M20 has got slightly high brightness when compared with the Realme 5S device. But overall friends, this is the display comparison side by side between the Samsung Galaxy M20 versus the Realme 5S device. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel friends for more display comparison. Lot more videos will be coming in the future. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.